Hi students, today I am discussing about the one question, that is, write the increasing order of boiling point of following organic compound. When such type of compounds are given, we have to find the which type of force present in the compound. Generally we know that ionic bond is stronger, next covalent bond, next hydrogen bond, next London force, or that is induced forces. Now generally in these given compound there is no ionic bond present. Next one is ion dipole force, also stronger bond than the hydrogen bond. That is also not there because here ion is not there in these any given compound. Next one we have to check the if any compound having the hydrogen bond, because hydrogen bond may be intramolecular or intermolecular hydrogen bond. If intermolecular hydrogen bond present, that is increase the boiling point, then we have to search now any one of the compound having the hydrogen bond formation or not. Now the first compound having the hydrogen bond formation, the second node, third node, fourth node, fifth also having, because it is hydroxyl group present here. That's why those are having the hydrogen bond that form the compulsory, they having more boiling point. So I will give the first number for this, and this is for second number. Okay, next we have to check which is having the polar nature. Then which are having the polar, they form the dipole force. Then if you consider in this second node, that third, it is para position with respect to the first chlorine, that's why dipole moment is 0. Second one having some dipole moment, because they having at ortho position angle is less, mean automatically their dipole moment increases, that's why more boiling point. Then third one we can give this compound, this one. Next we can check if any other like this is not there, so dipole force not there in remaining compound. Now this benzene or 1,4-dichlorobenzene, or next this 1,3-dimethylbenzene and methyl means nothing but toluene. These are all are having induced forces, nothing but like the what you call London forces. Now 1 2 3 order we given. Now remaining in induced dipole forces, in that all are having the same molecular formula, or any number of carbon change is there, or their molecular weight we have to check. Molecular weight increase means their boiling point also increases. Now in this 1 2 3 and 4, then here chlorine is there, 2 chlorine, then automatically molecular weight increase. That's why I will give here, this is the fourth in this induced forces. Next 1 2 3 left, again in these two methyl groups are there, that's why it will be fifth number. Next in these two it is having one extra carbon, then it is sixth number. Then it having the automatically, this is that is called seventh number. It is based on which one? Interaction between molecule. It may having the ion force is nothing but ionic bond type. It may having the ion dipole force. Otherwise it may having the hydrogen bond. Otherwise it may having the dipole force. Otherwise induced dipole forces. So if any compounds are given, first we have to check which type of force it may have. If they are having the stronger bond, then compulsory or it having the higher boiling point. If they having the similar forces, then we have to check for another factor, that is a molar mass, or any branches are there. According to that we can give the order. So if not only these compound, in this total organic chemistry the mixed compounds are given, or any homologous series are given. If alkyl homologous series are given, then we have to check the which is from the more hydrogen bonding. And if mixed compounds are given, then we have to check their all type of forces, and also we have to check the molecular weight, and also we have to check their branches increases, automatically surface area decrease, and boiling point also decreases. Thank you for watching this video.